right, as you can see, we are now installing the VLAND headlights, the ones with the sequential turn signal and the DRL change color lights with the also smoked out side marker. I put LED bulbs. I had to splice it. No one is on YouTube is showing people how to do this, but I'm gonna be the one that's gonna show y'all how to do this. I'm gonna show y'all on this headlight because of that headlight was a mock-up and everything seems to be working. I'm gonna show y'all the end result. So basically, what y'all want to do is, oh, this light right here. People do not explain this. You want to take your, this your turn signal bulb right here. You want to unplug your bulb and actually plug in the turn signal directly in. You want to take, this is pretty much plug and play for your headlight. Pretty much plug and play for the headlight. And for your DRL, it's gonna be like a little small, let me see. Yeah, you want to take out this, is turn signal, take that out. And it plugs in directly in there. I can't find the small, it's a small little clear bulb that you want to take out. So like I said, I'm gonna show y'all for the next one. Just give me a few moments. All right, y'all know what you got to do. Is I know I'm recording this late at night, but you got to take your bolts off right here. They're 8 mil. I don't have one right there. There's another one right there. So the other side got 4. Those are all mocked in. Again, these are the sequential turn lights, and these right here are the DRL. It's changed colors. So let me take this off and I'm gonna show you what I was talking about. All right, like I was saying, you gotta unplug your headlight. What? And that's where it goes right here. See how that matches that? That will plug in directly right here. That's your turn signal. It took me a while to figure this out, but this little thing right here goes to your, where's my DRL? You take this little bulb out right here. And that plugs in directly into that plug and play. And of course you got your big one, plugs into this little wiring harness, plugs into this right here. Of course they're color coded. After that, it's simple. Now, people didn't tell me this, but I had to splice my own, as you can see inside there, how to go from green to black to red to blue. I had to splice my own headlight. People didn't tell me that part because I didn't order the headlights that came with it, and the socket adapter they sent me, it did not match. So I got my little sister right here, okay, little one, that's helping me out.
I am helping.
And again, I know we doing this at nighttime, but I'm a late bloomer, so yeah, excuse me. All right, so we're gonna show you when it's all buttoned up. All right, it's all mocked up. Again, like I said, I know this is at nighttime, but it's better to show y'all at night because of I get a better visual. So hit the lock button, see the turn signals. Turn. Everything works. We're gonna cut the car on so the DRLs can cut on. Yeah, search keys, rainbow lighting. Gotta just change colors on y'all. Told y'all little by little I'm building this car up. Next step, we're gonna put some lights in there. I already got a light right there. That's what that is. I'll cut that on.